Chew one clove daily and watch what happens to your body. Most people don't know about the benefits of these tiny spices. It contains powerful compounds that fight inflammation, kill bacteria, and improve digestion. Cloves are packed with vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, and dietary fiber. Some studies suggest that compounds in cloves may help regulate blood sugar levels. It is known to support the immune system and help the body fight infections. If you want to know the full details, watch the full video on this channel.